Hey everyone, so recently we released a new functionality in our document, which is amendment. So earlier amendment was there, but if suppose, let's take an example, if you have created an OC or a PU and next document is created, then amendment option was not provided. Now we have made the changes and as per the requirement, we have released this functionality. So how you can do that? So let us click on all modules. Let's go to sales and purchase. Now, once I will come in sales and purchase, please check here. This is one of the OC. And as you can see that partial invoice is created. I will quickly click on the OC. Now, this particular OC will get open. Click on go to transaction. Now, please check here. The invoice is already created and this is my OC. And I will open this OC. Now, after opening the OC, on your right hand side, you will see an option of more. Click on more. Here, you will see an option of modify. So click on modify. It will give you a warning because the next document is already created. I will click on yes, modify. Then after the edit option will open. Please check few of the details you can edit, but few are not allowed. As invoice is created, like UOM, you cannot change the document numbers and remaining details. You cannot change. I will simply just go ahead and make the changes in quantity. Click on save and send. Proceed. Now please check. My OC is amended after creating the invoice. Do remember that there are certain restriction in the same, like suppose if the entire quantity of invoice is created, after that making amendments in few parts will not be allowed. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to manage your amendment. Have a good day ahead.